What is up, you guys? So I'm not sure if you've been living under a rock or don't have social media. Otherwise, I'm not really sure how you're speaking to me right now. But there is a live action Lilo and Stitch that's going to be releasing on May 23rd. And honestly, I'm excited because if it's one alien that I don't play about, it's 626. Okay, check my credentials. So that being said, we haven't done a food and film episode in such a long time, and I feel like it's only right to honor my girl Lilo and make something cool happen for Stitch. So let's get straight into it.
You're going to want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and pulling out all your ingredients you're going to need for your cake. Add in your wet and dry ingredients and mix well until just combined. Be mindful of your package instructions, but I did bake mine for about 35 minutes before my knife came out clean in my cakes. Coming out of the oven, allow your cakes to cool for at least 30 minutes before frosting. After cooling, you can take your cakes out of the pans and level each layer before adding your frosting. Don't do what I just did. Try and get this as straight as possible because it'll help you later when you're stacking your layers. After doing your crumb coat, make sure to scrape the excess frosting and let your cake chill for at least an hour before doing your second and third layer frosting. Next, we'll be working on Stitch's bottle, which of course is coffee. You can make this on your own. Add your own sugar, mix it together, and add it to your fridge for at least 2 hours before serving your drinks. Next, we'll be working on our teriyaki chicken and fried rice. Start with clean diced chicken, add your dry seasonings and your teriyaki marinade, mix well, and then you want to cook this on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Don't forget to have your rice pre-cooked at least a day in advance. Next, you're going to want to put your veggies to the side and add in about 3 eggs. Scramble them and allow them to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once you've added in everything, go ahead and turn your heat up to medium-high and mix well to allow the rice to cook and brown all over. Next, we'll be working on our PB&J sliders. Here's everything that you're going to need, and it shouldn't take long to put together. We're going to start off with some softened cream cheese, adding in our peanut butter, jelly. We're also going to add in a pinch of salt, some vanilla, and some powdered sugar. Mix well until just combined and then set it aside. You want to remove the top off of your King's Hawaiians roll and spread your peanut butter mixture. Add the top back on. You want to add this to a pan with butter and allow this to fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. As a last step, we're going to be working on our fruit for our lemonade, our plating, and our Dole Whip. We're going to start by pitting out our dragon fruit. Having super ripe fruit also helps. I'm able to cut through my mango without using an actual knife. I can use a spoon and carve everything out. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to get blended. I did also cut my pineapple in half to be able to get my plate, and then diced up the rest of the pineapple to freeze for our pineapple Dole Whip. Okay, I fibbed. The fruit was our second to last step. The last thing that we're going to be working on is our spam musubi, which is going to take a couple of steps and a few ingredients. We're going to start by boiling our rice and following the directions on the package that we used, cutting up our spam and making our marinade. Don't forget to keep your spam can, as this is going to help shape our rice for later. Make sure to place your pan on medium-high heat so that we can get a good sear on each slice of spam. Once this has been cooking for 5 to 6 minutes, go ahead and flip over and add your marinade and allow to cook until your marinade becomes a sticky sauce. Remove from heat. Cut your nori into long strips. Be sure to add your rice into your spam container to mold your rice while it's still warm. Place your rice on top of your nori, add your spam, and fold the nori over. This is everything that I made for my Lilo and Stitch night. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're interested in any of these recipes, go ahead and click the link in my description to my Etsy shop and you can purchase this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.